we call it as Ram Rajya, because he cared for his subject. On a particular day, he asked Lakshman, before we start our dinner, you can look around. If there is somebody, and then Lakshman came back, Bhaiya, nobody is there outside. Then he said, you just see Rama, when we call him God, so he had something in his mind. He again went and he said, no, there is nobody except one dog. And the dog seems to be in some kind of disturbing state. He was not happy. The way he was grumbling, he is there. Okay, then call him. And then the dog was called. He was asked with what was the reason. And then he had one grievance. He says, I have been bitten, I have been thrashed. A staff has been used against me by one educated person. Why? Because he threw the loaf of bread towards me, and I did not appreciate and I did not take it. When he said he threw the loaf of bread towards me and I did not take it, that sometimes surprised Lord Rama. And he said, what else has to be done? Dogs are always to be thrown with the thing, and people throw and you take it. And then that dog said, it's okay, general public, common man can throw it. But then he was an educated man, a teacher. And he threw it that way. There are reasons. He got convinced, that is fine. That means an awakened soul making mistakes is unexcusable. The one who knows and he commits an error, that sometimes is not appreciated, is not acknowledged well. We say, you, being an educated man, and you commit this. Didn't you know it? Though ignorance also is called to be a sin. Remember it. Ignorance also is called a sin. When out of ignorance you do, you are bound to suffer for that also, but the effect may not be of that immensity when you know and then you commit an error. That was the bone of contention here. And then Rama, when he got convinced, then he called that Pandit also, teacher also, that enlightened soul also. And then he said, okay, here he is. And he was asked, he said, I just took it casually. Threw it because everybody does it. Then in that case, an educated person must act in different ways. Acceptable behavior only should be acted upon, performed, not otherwise. Or lower than our stature, we should not behave. And then dog was asked, what do you want me to do? To punish him. What kind of punishment? Now dog was an enlightened soul. He knew which way to treat an individual. And he said, make him mathadhis. Make him mathadhis. Math, you know, education center, and head of that education center. Make him that. Now Lord Rama was further surprised. He said, how it is and which way it is going to affect him? You are rewarding him or punishing him? You want me to give him this reward or you wanted me to punish him? He said, this is a punishment only. And then he narrated that I was a Mathadis earlier and I did not act well. I had my corrupted mind, and that is how I have fallen to this extent that today I am in this animal being life. That is how it is so essential and for everyone. If you are a student, if you don't behave well, and if you don't study, if you don't do well, if you are not honest, you are bound to fail. And people fail. That is how we sometimes say you can achieve something, but it's more difficult to retain it. For that you need to labor more hard. And I have quoted number of times that normal way of working helps you. No extra efforts are needed. You don't have to sweat out differently. And that is how that sloka, niyatam kuru karam tvam karma jayo hiya karmana sarir yatra pichayatene parsidhyeta karmana. Rather, for normal way, and you need to work, you cannot avoid it. You have to work. But then if you like to be perfect, then of course there is a different sloka. If you like to perform well, higher than others, and if you like to be that one who is identified, then we say Manushyanam Sahastresu Kasjid Yati Siddhye Yat Tamapi Siddhanam Kaschin Mam Veti Tatvati. Manushyanam Sahastresu, thousands of people. And out of those thousands of people, it's one who endeavors, who makes efforts to be perfect. Everybody doesn't. Then in that case, fault is that we don't make efforts. Otherwise, we all could be perfect. Manushyanam sahastresu kaschidhyati siddhye. It's only few, very few. Out of thousands, one who makes that kind of endeavors, that one could become perfect. And out of those who achieve perfection, very rare. There are people, those who achieve me. Rather, to his own self, Lord Krishna, and you should be fortunate enough to be born in this life where Hindu religion is there. And this Hindu, though I'm not advocating particularly Hindu religion, but the spirituality advocated by this Hindu religion is unique, is a different one. And that is how sometimes you will hear words of Bhagwan. When you read Bhagavad Gita, it is not Lord Krishna is talking, and every way you will find Bhagwan Avaj. Bhagwan himself is talking. And that is how that message directly from the God has reached you. And that is how sometimes we can immediately change ourselves, make improvements, and listen, reflect, and apply. God bless you. Thank you.